In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build social media content planner in Notion. We'll keep it simple, clear, and flexible so you can start planning posts right away and adapt it to your workflow as you go. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Once you're on your workspace, create a fresh canvas by clicking New Page. Give this page a clear title so it's easy to find later. I'll call it Social Media Planner. Naming it up front helps you stay organized, especially as your workspace grows. On this new page, add a content table. This will be your central planning database. If you're new to Notion tables, think of them like a smarter spreadsheet where each column has a purpose and each row represents a post idea. This is where everything will live: your platforms, post types, timelines, and progress. Start adding your social media plan right in this table. Begin by sketching out a few posts you want to publish this week or this month. The goal is to get your ideas out of your head and into a place where you can track them. Now, enter data across the columns. Create a column for socials to indicate where a post will go, such as a platform tag. A select property works great here, so you can choose from your standard platforms each time. Add a column for what kind of post you're planning. This could be a short caption, a carousel, a reel, or a blog promo. Using a select or multi-select here keeps things consistent and easy to filter later. Include a status column to track progress. Typical statuses might be idea, drafting, scheduled, and published. Notion's status property is perfect because it can show where everything stands at a glance. Finally, add a date column for scheduling. This is your timeline anchor and helps you plan your week or month without scrambling at the last minute. Feel free to customize everything so it fits your process. Rename columns to match your brand language, add color to tags for quick scanning, and set simple sorts by date so your next deadlines always rise to the top. You can also add a notes column for captions, hashtags, or links to assets, and a simple checkbox to mark approvals if that's part of your flow. Keep your entries consistent and update statuses as work progresses to maintain an accurate picture of your pipeline. That's it. You've opened Notion, created a new page, named it Social Media Planner, added a content table, entered your plan, filled in socials, post type, status, and date, and customized it to your needs. Now you have a clear, reliable planner to guide your content from idea to publish.